How to set up Google Authenticator on iPhone. First, you will need to hop onto a PC and Google search for Google 2FA. Click on the first article that pops up right here, and then you want to select turn on two-step verification. Once you click on that option, it is going to then ask you to sign into your account. So I'm just going to do that real quick. Here on my phone, I'll just confirm that it is me, and it's gonna let you sign in. Okay, so once you have signed in, then here you will click on Authenticator, Add Authenticator App. Now you want to select Setup Authenticator. Once you do that, it is going to display a QR code. Now I'm just gonna open up my phone here, and from your phone you will download and open up the Authenticator app, and then you will click on the plus sign at the bottom and you will choose scan a QR code. This is gonna activate your camera, and you will just point your camera at the QR code which you have just generated, and that is how you set up Google Authenticator on iPhone. I hope this helps. Leave a like and sub. I'll see you next time.